So magkakaroon na ng treatment for parvovirus? Medyo matagal na tong news na to, pero I wanted to share to you guys. So I saw this sa American Veterinary Medicine Association news that the canine parvovirus treatment receives conditional approval. At ito yon. Ito ay developed by the company Elanco at ito yung canine parvovirus monoclonal antibody. So ano yun? So itong CPV monoclonal antibody is indicated for treatment of canine parvovirus. Tapos ang laman niya or yung active ingredient is monoclonal antibody. And it's given or administered intravenously or IV via sa ugat. Ano nga ba itong monoclonal antibody na to? Itong canine parvovirus monoclonal antibody is composed of a dog constant region. Ito yung dark blue at variable region. Itong light blue na yan. Itong dalawang elements na to that work together can neutralize canine parvovirus in vivo by selectively binding and blocking the virus from entering and destroying the enterocytes. Technically, it binds to the virus and it prevents na makapunta siya sa cells ng mga intestines ng aso natin. So itong treatment na to, sabi, is a single intravenous dose to treat clinical signs caused by parvo. So in one dose, magiging okay sila regardless of vaccination status or kung kahit na wala siyang bakuna or kahit na mayroon rin. So ito yung kinaklaim ng treatment. It targets parvovirus directly. Single dose lang siya and high yung safety profile. Treatment efficacy study, 28 puppies yung nabigyan itong canine parvovirus monoclonal antibody. Tapos out of the 28, walang namatay and mas mabilis yung resolution or nawala yung symptoms like vomiting, inappetence, and lethargy. To be honest, very promising ito. Lalo na ngayon kasi ang parvovirus talaga is more of symptomatic treatment lang talaga tayo. Na maganda dito, treatment can be administered to dogs 8 weeks old or older with parvovirus, regardless kung walang bakuna o merong bakuna. And this is according to the company Elanco, yung nag-develop nito. However, pending pa to sa individual states sa Amerika. Since promising nga yung results, this is a game changer for pet owners and veterinarians as well. And this is the first and currently only approved therapeutic solution to treat canine parvovirus. Siyempre, since conditional license pa to, matatagalan pa talaga bago ma-distribute to sa US, of course, and then siyempre lalo na sa atin sa Philippines. However, hearing this news, malaki talaga ng pagbabago at malaking tulong. What are your thoughts? Kayo mga fellow fur parents and yung mga veterinarians dyan as well. And actually, I'm just hoping na okay rin yung presyo nito. Kaya don't forget to consult your vet.